Are you new to Excel? Are you new to Excel? If you want to master Excel in just 10 minutes, I can show you how to master it. So this video is for beginners. My name is Peter. Welcome to my channel. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is the AutoSum. AutoSum helps us to automatically sum rows and columns. So we want to sum these three cells. Hold down your Alt and press equal sign on your keyboard. Press enter. That is AutoSum for you. So let's do it for the column. Hold your Alt, press equal sign, enter. So that is how to do AutoSum in Excel. It is very, very simple. Another thing I want to show you is that when we are scrolling, our column header is scrolling with our data set. Can you see? So we don't know the header now until we go back to it. So to freeze the header, select the row, go to view, click on freeze pane, click on freeze top rows. That one is done. So the next thing we're going to be looking at now is flash fill. Flash fill. If you need to split names or format text quickly, you need to, let me do this. You need to type the first thing. So we want to split this customer name now. So we want to extract the first name. So after typing out the first name for the first name on the list, press Ctrl E. That is flash fill for you. It is quite simple. Another one about flash fill is that you can bring out the first character in each name. So in this Wendy, you want to bring out W. In Evelyn, you want to bring out E. So this thing is case sensitive. So that's the W for you. So Ctrl E, that is the power of flash fill. All right. The next thing we're going to be looking at is let me delete this. Next thing we're going to be looking at is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP. In Excel, VLOOKUP is important. It's one of the basic functions. If you don't understand VLOOKUP in Excel, you don't understand anything. So in this case, we want to be looking for this order number on this table. So we want to return the total price for this order number. So let's do it. This VLOOKUP. What's our lookup value? This order number is our lookup value. Our table array is this. All right. What's our column index? Since we are looking for total price, our column index number will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Type 8 as your column index number. All right. The next one is exact match, which is 0. Always put 0 here. Press enter. So that is it. So this order number, the total price for it is 4,875. Let's change the order number and see what happens. So the value changed to 1,455. The next thing we're going to be looking at is pivot table. Pivot table. Pivot table. It is a time saver. Pivot table is a time saver in Excel. It's a drag and drop feature for data analysis on Excel. Click on anywhere within your data set. All right, go to insert, click on pivot table. So we're going to be doing this into a new worksheet. All right, press OK. That is it. So we want to bring out the customer name, put it into row. So what did they buy? What quantity did they buy? So this is the quantity bought by each customer. So Alan Taylor bought 11. All right. So let's also use products. Number of product bought. So they all bought one product. All right. So this is the quantity they bought. So the type of product that they buy. So one type of product. All right, so we can filter. Let's filter by category, product category. So these are the categories: electronics. So these are the people that bought electronics. Networking. These are the people that bought networking. Accessories. These are the people that bought accessories. So you can also select multiple. These are the multiples. We are selecting two. We are leaving out electronics. So we want to bring out those that bought accessories and networking, that ordered for accessories and networking. These are the people. All right. So that is pivot table for you. The next one we are going to be demonstrating is conditional formatting. All right, we have categories here. So let's select the categories. Let's go to home. Let's click on conditional formatting. Let's use, okay, let's click on new rule. So format only says that contain what? That contains specific text. So those texts that contain electronics, want to give them a particular color. So let's give them this color. So those that contains electronic, we're giving them this color. So that is conditional formatting for you. You can also format the quantity. So let's see the kind of formatting we can give to this quantity now. So let's go on, click on conditional formatting. Let's do this. Color scale. Let's use color scale. Can you see? So the top ones get this color. So that is conditional formatting for you. All right. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video. You can also subscribe to my channel. If you have any question for me, please leave it in the comments section. I'm going to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.